Hello young innovator and welcome to the Welding Challenge for Daring December. Remember, this is a quick, short and fun challenge. Let's get started by reading it together from the app. Innovators are experts at connecting two seemingly unrelated ideas to create something new, unique and useful. So here's a challenge for you, young innovator. If we asked you to combine a television and a bench, what new innovation can you come up with? What use can you put it to? What value can it add and for whom? But it's not enough to come up with just a high-level superficial idea. You need to think it through. We do not mean thinking about what's feasible and what's not. We mean thinking about the how, what, why, when, where, whom of your innovation. So go for it. Your innovation can be a product or a service. Your first worksheet for this challenge is writing a clear and concise problem statement. Now, what will that look like for this challenge? Something along the lines of, I want to combine a television and a bench in a way that addresses a need in a new, unique and value-creating way. Okay? So how do we go about working on this challenge? Okay, the goal is to combine these two objects, these two ideas as they are to create something new and meaningful, right? But when you're looking at these objects, I want you to go a bit more deeper to think about their essence, their function, their purpose, and keep that in mind when you are combining the two to create something new. Okay, so I want you to think about the words that come to your mind when you think about the purpose, the function of a television, and likewise of a bench. Okay, so the words that I would associate with the purpose of a television could be entertainment, watch, eyes, channels, OTT platforms, content, movies, programs, repeat watching, what else? And for a bench, maybe I can think about sitting, resting, maybe outdoors, maybe indoors, garden, what else? So get started with brainstorming some ideas. Go beyond the first idea that jumps at you. So if you've gotten this far, well done on completing this challenge, and I'll see you next month.